my new to me Faux GT500. It's a 14, but has a complete 2012 Performance Pack drivetrain with just 15,000 miles on it. Everything's been swapped except for obviously the no quad tip valance or anything like that in the faux gas door, but exhaust, wheels, brakes, spindles, struts, Torsen diff is back there, just for all the naysayers, who won't believe me. See the fin cooler diff? Yeah, that's right. It's got the SVT door, whatever, dickies. Driver's seat's got a little bolster wear. What else is new? No airbag, still the base Mustang airbags, but we got the GT500 floor mats. GT500 nav, shifter, ball, suede, dash, passenger airbag. And I'll show you the clock on it. 15,000. Guy bought it from Copart with like 14,000 on it. And then did all 13 appearance. Paint on it is decent. I'll show you even the trunk. It's all mint. Spare twin FPDMs. It's got the full GT500 body harness in the car. I am unfortunately gonna clone it everything to 13-14 Shelby spec. Obviously 14 because Ruby is 14 only, but I'm gonna get the valance, the quad exhaust, white stripes. I have the faux gas door and the fender emblems coming, and I have white stripes coming. I may do black and change it, but we'll see. But for right now, I'm happy with it. The only real telltale will be the 11-12 PP wheels. And then if somebody were to get in the car and see that it only has the 160 cluster and not the 220 or 200, but not a big deal. But she sounds good, everything works. Clutch is like butter. 373 gears. See where this thing takes me in life. I want a Shelby. I don't want to pay Shelby prices, so here I am. This is what you get. It saves me from doing a ton of work on that 12 GT I have. I don't know. I'm gonna road race this thing and probably beat the crap out of it, but I'm gonna try and leave it as stock as humanly possible, which is very difficult to do. I may put a 2.3 TVS on this, but we'll definitely see. But again, overall, I love it. I'm gonna enjoy it, not save it for anyone else. I felt like whatever I paid for this thing was worth it, because the drivetrain's only got 15,000 miles on it. You can't find that anymore. And so if I put 20, 30, 40,000 miles on it, I get bored of it or whatever, and I go to sell it, then so be it. I won't get hurt. I could always strip it. But nice looking car.